everyone, I'm Linda Sumaryanti. In this occasion, I would like to present an article about language learning and technology, entitled The Effect of Interactivity with a Music Video Game on Second Language Vocabulary Development by Jonathan Jihan, W. Michael Reed, and Katsuko Fuada. There are three main points in this presentation, namely background, the game, and English lesson. Now, let's talk about background. According to them, video games are potential sources of second language input. However, the medium's fundamental characteristic, interactivity, has not been thoroughly examined in terms of its effect on learning outcomes. Here, the researcher manipulated video game interactivity. 40 pairs of students participated, and in each pair, one played the game and the other watched an identical video signal of the partner's game. For the interactive treatment, participants played stage 1 of the game Parappa the Rapper 2 on a Sony PlayStation 2 connected to 25-inch TV. English subtitles were displayed on the screen. Players did not pause the game. Players used stereo headphones and sat in a cubicle. For the non-interactive treatment, participants watched the video of the player's game on a linked identical 25-inch TV in an adjoining cubicle. The watchers could also see English subtitles on the screen and use stereo headphones. Participants were grouped in order to ensure that each pair was exposed to identical language. The players and watchers could not see each other or interact. This is the illustration of participant. On the left side is the player, on the right side is the watcher. Player played the video game and tried to remember the lyrics of the game, and watcher watched the game and tried to remember the lyrics of the game. Now about the game. Parappa the Rapper 2 was used because of its authentic English language. It was designed for the commercial North American video game market. It simultaneously presented oral and textual language, English raps, and English subtitles, and its prototypical rhythm game elements. The game's display includes a fast food restaurant. Various ingredients and cooking implements can be seen on the screen. A rhythm meter, a score meter, and subtitles of the game's lyrics. Each level of this game is a short rap. The player completes line of the rap by pressing controller buttons at the correct time. If the player's timing is off, the line is not completed, and if many lines are not completed, the player fails the stage. The rap for the game stage played in this project contains instructions about how to make a burger. For example, hit the grill and turn the patty over. Some of the lines of the rap are given by a non-player character, Bert, Burger Master. English is not central to gameplay. In other words, a player need not comprehend the game's language to interact successfully with the game. This is the illustration about game controller and wireframe of game screen. Parappa the Rapper 2's elements all relate and interact in complex ways. One button press cued by a moving icon on the rhythm bar. produce a here word, for example, burger, coupled with an action in 3D environment, for example, flipping a burger that is semantically linked to other words to create a line of the rap and to other action to create a fast food meal. The correctness of the button press is indicated by an animation on the screen, a change in score, and a sound effect. The game seems to have high interactivity since each element needs to be simultaneously noticed and understood by a player or watcher. And the last is English lesson vocabulary written recall. The lyrics of the game level were used as a written quiz test. Stressed words from the lyrics were replaced with blanks. There were 41 unique vocabulary words in the quiz test. Participants were required to write the missing words from the game's rap in the test bank. Answers were scored using the acceptable scoring method, meaning misspelled but recognizable. For example, mustard instead of mustard. And answers with the correct stem, for example, round instead of round, were accepted. Notably, tough answers that match semantically what's the fire instead of the correct answer, what's the grill, were not accepted. Each correct answer was counted as 1 point. This is the Parapadra 2 vocabulary written recall test. Actually, there are 4 lesson tests, but here I provide only 2 as the example. This is the first lesson, and this is the second lesson. Okay, I think that's all about my presentation about the article of language learning and technology. Thanks for watching.